Hello friends, welcome back. Today is the most magical morning. Bluey jumps from the couch, Bingo chases right after. Muffin spins around the tree, her voice squealing Christmas. Dad jingles a tiny bell, ho 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 he shouts. Mom smiles wide, she says if you love moments like this make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss our fun. The kids clap loud, they scream yes yes. Bluey grabs Bingo's paw, let's check the stockings. They rush to the fireplace, Muffin shouts I see candy. Dad pulls one stocking, sweets tumble down. Mom gasps, not before breakfast. Bluey laughs, but it is Christmas. Muffin hides chocolate in her pocket, Bingo whispers Santa really came. Dad nods serious, I heard his sleigh last night. Bluey's eyes sparkle, really? They all dash to the window, snow is falling soft. Bingo presses her nose to the glass, the yard looks like a fairy tale. Mom opens the door, cold air floods inside. Dad ties scarves, he says let's play. They burst into the snow, Bluey flops and makes an angel. Bingo copies her, Muffin rolls like a silly ball. Dad crashes flat, snow sprays everywhere. Mom claps, my silly family. Bluey jumps up, race to the tree. Bingo shouts ready go, Muffin waddles fast. Dad stomps hard chasing them, the ground shakes. Bluey hides behind a snowman, Bingo hides near Mom. Dad roars I am the snow monster, the kids scream. Muffin shrieks catch me if you can, she climbs on Dad's back. Dad lifts her high, Muffin laughs louder. Mom giggles, careful or you will drop her. Suddenly a knock at the gate, Grandma appears. She waves with both arms, her bag stuffed with gifts. The kids scream Grandma, they dash to hug her. Muffin jumps so high, Dad bows welcome Queen of Christmas. Mom smiles, come inside and warm up. Grandma shakes her head, not yet. She taps her cane on the snow, she shouts freeze. Bluey stops mid-step, Bingo freezes too. Muffin stands stiff, Dad holds still like a statue. Mom gasps, is that magic? Grandma winks, maybe. The kids burst out giggling, Muffin squeaks unfreeze. Grandma taps again, they all jump free. Grandma pulls candy canes from her bag, she says for everyone. Bluey licks hers, it tastes like snow. Bingo waves hers like a wand, Muffin bites hers in half. Dad sneaks two at once, Mom scolds him. Bluey claps her paws, let's open presents. Grandma says first story time. They gather by the glowing tree, the fire crackles. Grandma sits on the rug, the kids lean close. Dad and Mom smile side by side, Muffin bounces on her knees. Grandma begins, when I was a girl I saw Santa's sleigh above my roof. Bluey gasps loud, really? Bingo whispers did he wave? Grandma nods, he waved and smiled. Muffin squeals Santa is real, Mom's eyes shine. Dad says tell us more, Grandma smiles. He dropped a golden ribbon, I kept it forever. Bluey whispers that is magic. Grandma nods, but tonight is even brighter because I have you all here. The kids cheer, Dad claps. Mom hugs Grandma tight, the warmth fills the room. Dad clears his throat, enough stories it is gift time. He brings the boxes, the kids bounce excited. Bluey rips one open, a shiny red drum. She bangs it bong bong, Bingo claps. Bingo opens hers, a singing doll. It hums la la la, she dances with it. Muffin opens blocks, she stacks them high then kicks them down. Dad roars with laughter, "That is my girl." Mom unwraps a scarf, she drapes it proud. Grandma opens mittens, she wiggles her fingers. Bluey shouts, "Best Christmas ever." Bingo nods, "Yes, the best." Muffin hugs everyone, Dad lifts them all together. Mom kisses Bluey's head, Grandma raises her cane high. "Merry Christmas, family," her voice strong. The tree glows brighter, the fire warms deeper. Snow keeps falling outside, the world feels wrapped in magic. Bluey whispers, "Let's do this every year." Bingo shouts, "Yes, yes." Muffin sings, "Christmas, Christmas." Dad laughs. Mom beams, Grandma's eyes shine bright. The night sways gentle, the family cuddles close. And the stars sparkle like silver bells above them.